As far as mental development is concerned, we should never be complacent. We can develop our minds infinitely. There is no limitations. His Holiness the Dalai Lama. Book name Atindriya Samarthya Sanyog Nahi Tathya. Psychic capabilities, not a coincidence but fact. Have you ever wondered how some people can read others' mind and can understand the other person without any conversation? How do some people develop capabilities to hear beyond what an average person can hear? Have you ever thought how did sages in olden times could just close their eyes and could understand the thoughts going in someone's mind or incidents that happened or were about to happen? This book describes how all this can be achieved by exploring the inner self, that is Atma Sadhana. Humans have the capacity to think and act accordingly. It is the combination of these two that resulted in honoring several forms of arts and skills over the period of time. It is the amalgamation that is working in the background of such earnings and achievements. If we witness prosperity and splendor anywhere, it is purely due to humans' mental and physical efficiency. Is there a glass ceiling? If one wishes to develop capabilities beyond any such boundaries, one needs to dive deeper. Upon looking around, superficially, we only see sand, pieces of stones, and random rubbles on the earth's surface. Still, it is only upon exploring down deep we have been able to find valuable and precious metals and gemstones. Similarly, to develop a personality, upon in depth research, it has been revealed that divine energy works in the background to evolve oneself. Such an evolution cannot happen by mere external resources. It requires internal exploration and a divine guiding force to achieve the imperceptible powers. This book can act as a handy reference and guide for those who want to explore internally only to find hidden gemstones in humans and those who want to break the glass ceiling. Few excerpts from the book. Western psychologists have performed psychic exploration and have identified and categorized such extrasensory perceptions into four sections. First, clairvoyance, the supposed faculty of perceiving things or events in the future beyond normal sensory contact. Second, precognition, for knowledge of an event without any accepted scientific evidence. Third, retrocognition, knowledge of a past event that includes details that could not be learned, inferred, or verified through normal means. Fourth, telepathy, the ability to know what is in someone else's mind or communicate with someone mentally without using words or other physical signals. Yoga Shastra has revealed the possibilities of merging the human soul with the divine through meditation techniques to reach the final destination. While doing so, as a byproduct of it, humans have mastered several supreme powers which may look magical at first. In Mundaka Upanishad, a sage named Angira, while explaining to Shaunak, wherein he gave an example, wherever there is a fire, there are always some sparks flowing up spreading from the flame. They all carry exact properties of that fire. In the same way, from an imperishable, there emits many tangible and intangible expressions, which can also be termed as living entities. The famous biologist Professor Frank Brown has proved through many of his experiments that innumerable beings in the universe are receiving vibrations and pleasures of the universe. These working receivers or collectors are said to have very subtle atoms that do not have any physical characteristics of density, weight, erosion, and magnetization, etc. Few topics covered in the book: psychic capabilities, background and foundation, miracle versus parapsychology, prediction and premonition, how correct, how rational, the divine accomplishment of telepathy, physical expression of brainstorming.